In this video, we discuss Griseofulvin Dosage for dogs, including important information about its use. Did you know that Griseofulvin is an antifungal medication used to treat ringworm and certain fungal skin infections in dogs? Although newer antifungal drugs are now more common, veterinarians still prescribe it in selected cases. Griseofulvin is usually recommended when fungal infections are widespread or when topical treatments alone aren't effective. It works throughout the body to stop the fungus from spreading. This medication comes in two formulations, microsize and ultramicrosize. The ultramicrosize form is absorbed more efficiently, so it requires a lower dosage and should never be substituted for the microsize version. The correct dosage depends on your dog's weight, the formulation being used, and your veterinarian's prescription. Never adjust the dose on your own. Griseofulvin works by preventing fungal cells from growing and multiplying. Because it protects new hair and skin growth, treatment often continues for several weeks, even after symptoms begin improving. Common side effects include vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, stomach upset, and increased sensitivity to sunlight. Most reactions are mild, but should still be monitored. Seek veterinary care immediately if your dog develops yellow eyes or gums, severe weakness, pale gums, fever, unusual bleeding, or a widespread skin rash, as these may indicate serious complications. Griseofulvin should not be used in pregnant dogs, breeding males, puppies under 12 weeks old, or dogs with severe liver disease, unless specifically directed by your veterinarian. This medication can interact with several drugs, including phenobarbital, warfarin, aspirin, ketoconazole, and cyclosporine. Always tell your veterinarian about every medication and supplement your dog is taking. For the best results, give Griseofulvin exactly as prescribed and complete the entire treatment course, even if your dog's skin looks better early. This helps eliminate the infection and reduces the chance of it returning. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.